Have you seen these small wooden car making videos? They're insanely satisfying and ridiculously addictive, and they're blowing up everywhere online right now. Today, I'm showing you the exact step-by-step process to create your own. Let's dive in. Step 1. Generate the prompts. First up, we need to build our blueprint. Head over to ChatGPT and input the prompt I've dropped in the description below. It will first break down the option choice of different cars. Pick your favorite one, then it will generate the specific image prompts and image to video prompts. Just grab that image prompt and let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Generate the image. First, open HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, simply click the link in the description to download and install it on your computer. Once you open the software, go to AI Image, Image Generate, Text to Image. Choose a model. I'm using GPT Image 2 for this task. Paste the image prompt. Configure your resolution, aspect ratio, and output quantity, then simply hit Generate. You'll instantly get a high-quality scene photo. To keep everything consistent, set your first image as a reference image. Then, input the prompt for scene 2. Repeat this workflow for every scene until your entire asset library is ready. Step 3. Generate the video. Once your scene image is ready, go to AI Video. Here's the shortcut. Click Reference to Video and choose Seedance 2.0. Upload all your scenes, then paste the master story prompt from GPT. Then, adjust your duration and resolution, hit Generate, and your video will be ready in minutes. Super easy, right? Now you can create endless, satisfying small wooden car making videos featuring any car imaginable. HitPaw Edimakor is dedicated to making AI creation effortless and fun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check the link in the description to try it yourself. See you in the next one.